Hello English learner, welcome back our YouTube channel. Which type of channel? English channel. English journey from here. So as you know, this channel is special for those who want to speak English in 2026. Okay, so this channel is special for me. Why? Because I am also learning here. I am also daily uploading the video on this channel for practicing. I am practicing, then I will upload this video on YouTube for you because your English is also not good. I think something is good but not perfect. Just like me, I am very low confidence in English. So how can I build my confidence high? And how can I speak English in front of any stranger without hesitating? Okay, without scaring. So when I try to speak, then I get stuck. My tongue, my mind get totally stuck and totally blink. Okay, so how can I overcome of this situation of this problem? So I think I am only facing this problem. This problem is facing many people, many learners, many speaker who want to speak English. Okay, so I know English is a very important language, you also know about it, but how you can learn English, what kinds of things we have to do if we do daily. So how can I learn English, speak English in front of you, in front of any person? Okay, so this is the so that's why this video is very special for who's okay. So so the main topic is what? English. How can I speak in English in short time? Okay, so it's no matter. So if you want to learn something, firstly mark my word, if you want to learn something, so you have to give too much time. Okay, not a short time. There is no any short formula. Okay, if you want to learn anything, so you have to daily practice, just like 4 month, 5 month, 1 year, 2 year. If you will do at that time, okay, then you can achieve your things which you want. Okay, otherwise you can fail. Okay, otherwise you can fail. It's obviously it's a normal thing. If you will not do anything, then you can't achieve anything. Okay, so this video is special for those learners who want to speak English, and I am also speaking English. I am now here. What I am doing here, I am doing practice with you. Okay, with my viewers, because viewer also want to learn English. That's why you come on this video. So I know your English is not good and my English is also not good. So how can I improve our English? So the basic formula of English is practice. Okay, practice means you have to do these total things daily by daily in your daily routine. Okay, then you can improve your English easily, because many speaker says this line. Okay, in the YouTube I watch the English videos and English podcasts for learning English. So many English learner and speaker says that if you are to learn English, so you have to daily one thing daily, what? Practice. It's a normal thing. Okay, we know about it already. If we will not do anything, then we can learn anything, we can't learn anything. Okay, so here are many things in English you can learn. So which kind of things you have to keep in your mind for learning English daily by daily, and how you can speak confidently in front of any stranger, any person, any family member, your friend. Okay, so I think I have to improve my vocabularies and sentences and what? Thoughts. Thoughts means I have to think in mind too much. Okay, so you can learn English easily. What? How you can learn? For thinking. If you are thinking English, if you will think daily in English, then your mind can translate the easily English in your mind. So next time when you will speak, then you can't take too much time for express your thoughts. Okay, so the main thing is what? Practice and thinking in English. okay, and you are doing anything, so you have to do in what, in English, okay. So just like me, I am now sitting here, so I am practicing, okay, and I am not cutting the video in between. No matter I am stucking, I am not speaking very well, okay, and no matter my I am mistaking, and I speak very badly. I use very wrong sentences in grammatical mistake. Okay, so it's not matter. And I will not cut the video. Why I will not cut? Because you are also learning. So when you will watch my videos, okay, then you will realize his English is also not good and he is just trying. Okay, it's a matter. Okay, you are not focused on your mistake. You are focused on your only learning. It is a very important thing in your life. If you understand this line, then you can improve yourself, improve your life, improve your skill. So okay, so what you have to focus on your learning, not mistaking, because every person make mistake, okay. So it doesn't matter. Okay, so I am also mistaking and I also taking too much time, and I am also hesitating for shooting the video because I have no experience, but I am trying. Wo, you listen already about it, something is better than nothing, okay. You have to do for your life, for your change in your life, okay. So it's a simple way for learning English. So you can learn with me and you can subscribe this channel. I will upload daily video, daily shooting the English video, so you can improve your English by watching my videos, because watching is also main thing of your English, improving English. So okay, bye, take care, bye, see you next video, love you.